Here we go. Oh, you're playing the King's Fianchetto opening, I see. Very familiar with this opening. Especially when it's played like this badly. Wow, that's an early castle. Be a shame if I disturbed it, right?
Would be.
In case you didn't know, I'm quite familiar with it. It's the King's Indian attack, the Yugoslav variation.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're quite familiar with these
Yeah, I
terms
will.
here. I know you've been playing.
I have.
You really have been
I
playing.
have been playing
Okay.
this. Very good. What's interesting is I'm very worried about you disturbing my castle, so I'm gonna fall back a bit here.
Good.
Were you gonna put, wait, that would have been dumb, but it's whatever. I can tell you're so stressed right now with these moves. A lot of
Why? Because
randomness,
nah, that one was
but not
quirky.
much
That
quirk.
one was quirky.
No,
That one was quirky. You don't even know what you're doing. Hmm.
oh, I know what you're doing. Just a casual 500 gap in the rating. Oh, jeez.
What's something quirky I could do right
Something, you know
now?
what something quirky would be? I don't know. Perhaps knight b7, d7. Wow. Wowza. Don't know why you did that. Just double stack those pawns for me, buddy. Don't hesitate.
Will do.
Oh, God. I'm just going to pre-move everything. I mean, it's over for you. Wow. Quite shocking. Did you forget? You forget about that guy? Interesting. You think that move is appropriate?
Absolutely.
Why don't you go ahead and double stack the pawns for me there, buddy? Please, I insist. Very interesting. Wow. Wow. That is that is something. Let me tell you. Too bad it's something bad. It's like you're not even trying to develop the pieces.
I don't care about them, that's why.
Wow. Well, I think I'm just gonna hit you with one of the more random and quirky things that has been done so far. Interesting move. What are you trying to accomplish here? This move.
Get a little ground covered.
Okay. Interesting. 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 Hmm. Hmm. Why don't you go ahead and get out, buddy? Why don't you back up? Why
A
don't you
little
back off?
quirky.
Yeah. Hit a random on me, I hit you with the quirk. Oh boy. You feeling a little. Oh. Uh oh. Oh, spaghettios. It's like the most boring game of chess.
Why? Because you're losing?
No. Oh yeah, I'm up one, buddy. Say that again, but I'm gonna make it real spicy for you here in a second. How's that sound?
Alright.
Does that sound good enough for you? Your pieces are so undeveloped. Oh, jeez. Would not want to be in your shoes right now. I can tell you that. But you'll learn.
Don't think you'll like this one.
Frightening. I don't think you'll like this one. Must have been tough for you to swallow. Such a massive L.
Hope.
Oh no. You did not just do what I thought you did. Oh no. That is an uh-oh spaghettios. Oh, oh no. Well, it was a good game, Andrew.
Damn it.
It was good. Damn, dude, I
That
had
is
zero
disgusting.
mistakes, zero blunders. Whew. I'm gonna look at my game review here.
And maybe it'll get a little bit better.
I had 90% accuracy. Oh my gosh, dude, this is literally one of the best games I've played. Oof. Well, how's it feel? Did you have a?
It
Did
was pretty
you?
cringe.
Did you? After the first game where you got lucky,
Where I outplayed you completely.
is that? Are we forgetting the part where I gave you your queen back? Are we forget?
No, that was a technical
Oh, it's
difficulty.
a
That
technical
was an
difficulty.
interference
Interference by who exactly?
by the internet. Made me move my piece. I refreshed my page and then I clicked back onto the thing and it moved my piece.
Wow. Well,
It's not fair.
this is a brilliant move right here. Brilliant move. And a great move. Oh, goodness. Well, beautiful.